All set for the digital transition and new market conditions with the business-proven methods of the Siemens Development System, or SDS for short. SDS is helping Siemens become an innovation leader and a digital champion. From the risk of accidents to delays to simple misunderstandings, different workplace problems can crop up now and then. Robert knows about this too well. Today, he receives an error-filled document yet again, and fixing it eats up time since the problem's cause isn't obvious. A classic case for the A3 problem-solving method. Robert takes initiative and gathers everyone involved to try out the A3 method. This method is named after the size of the paper the employees use to organize their thoughts on. As they do so, they use the PDCA method: plan, do, check, act. An independent coach guides the team through the A3 to help them focus on the content. During the plan stage, everyone investigates the problem in depth. This stage is divided into several steps. First, Robert and his colleagues write down their motivation for the A3 process. They want to contribute toward a corporate goal. Next, they describe the status quo in as much detail as possible and figure out the effects on corporate goals. In the third step, the team describes the target status without talking about a particular solution. They consider how they could identify or measure the effectiveness of an improvement. Because the status quo and the target status are far apart, the employees continue with the A3. Next, in the cause and effect analysis, they all ask what might have led to the problem. Then they come up with corrective actions, along with due dates and the person in charge. The team prioritizes the corrective actions in the do stage before moving on to implementation. In the check phase, Robert and his colleagues check how effective their actions have been. In doing so, they use the indicators they decided on in advance. Using pilot projects, the employees can determine whether or not an improvement has been made. In the act phase, the team draws a conclusion from the results. If they're happy with the improvement, they standardize the new process with the responsible person's approval. If the team isn't satisfied yet, they go through the PDCA cycle again and start the next A3. The employees publish their reports for the organization so that others can learn from them. The goal of the A3 is not to find a holistic solution, because that can take time. Instead, the people involved remedy the problem one piece at a time. Robert is pleased. Ever since they did the A3, he rarely receives documents with errors. Do you want to use the A3 and counteract problems collaboratively? For more information, visit the intranet or contact the SDS manager of your business unit.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.